Understanding the phrase, cleft chin. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into the phrase, cleft chin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's dive in. A cleft chin is a facial feature where there's a small indentation or dimple in the middle of the chin. It's also sometimes called a dimpled chin or butt chin in casual language. This unique feature can be present in both men and women and is often considered an attractive trait in many cultures. It's largely genetic, which means if someone in your family has it, there's a possibility you might have it too. The term cleft in cleft chin comes from the Old English word cleophan, which means to split. A cleft chin appears as though the chin has been split, thus the name. It's interesting how languages evolve and how words from centuries ago can still be a part of our everyday vocabulary. It's important to know how to use this phrase in a sentence. Here are some examples. 1. She has a distinct cleft chin that resembles her father's. 2. Actors with a cleft chin are often cast in heroic roles in movies. 3. I always wished I had a cleft chin. I find them so charming. There you have it. Now you know what a cleft chin is, where the phrase comes from, and how to use it in a sentence. We hope this video was enlightening and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.